How you guys doing here on YouTube? I'm making a video on this little bird here. How old is this bird, Brooke?
I don't know. Mom? 8 years.
About 8 years old. What's the name of this bird?
Crusoe.
Crusoe?
Crusoe.
Crusoe? What kind of name is that? Crusoe.
Ask Mom.
What kind of bird is this? A cockatiel. This bird don't get much attention. He wants to become famous, I guess. He keeps looking at me. I'm over here at my mom's house and realized this bird just kept looking at me. He's a pretty bird. He's like, guy, don't mess with me. He's a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
If he likes you enough, he'll kiss your finger. I don't think he likes me. Nope, he doesn't like me.
Pretty bird.
Hey! I can have a kitty girl!
Ooh, he's hissing at me.
Ow!
Look. Look, got his mouth open. See him open his mouth? See him open his mouth? I don't feel like getting bit by him.
If you put your finger in his mouth, he'll try to kiss you.
No, he'll try to bite me. I don't mess with these birds. But anyways, I just want to make a little video over this bird. People probably think I'm crazy, but hey, the bird wants to be a little famous, you know. He likes to get him a little bit of attention. But you guys have a good night. I'm going to try to keep these videos coming. If there's anything you want to see or what, just let me know. You guys have a good night.